Imagine waking up one day and realizing the whole world feels like it's melting in your hands. Nothing stays still. Nothing stays certain. This is exactly the feeling Zygmunt Bauman tried to explain, and his ideas changed how millions understand modern life. Bauman was a Polish sociologist who lived through war, displacement, and massive social change. These experiences shaped his thinking and pushed him to ask one big question: why does modern life feel so fast, unstable, and confusing? His answers became some of the most important ideas in contemporary sociology. One of his most famous ideas is liquid modernity. Think of life as water instead of ice, always moving, never holding one shape. Jobs change quickly, relationships shift, trends disappear overnight. In a liquid world, people feel like they have to constantly adapt just to keep up. Imagine trying to build a house on the beach while the waves keep washing it away. This is how Bauman said many people experience modern life. His second big idea is consumer society. Bauman believed we are encouraged not only to buy things, but to treat life itself like a marketplace. Even friendships and identity become products. For example, people sometimes judge others by what phone they have or how aesthetic their lifestyle looks online. Bauman warned that this makes relationships shallow and people replaceable, like items on a shelf. The third idea is the individualization of problems. Bauman said society often blames individuals for struggles created by larger systems. If someone can't find a job, they're told to work harder, instead of questioning the economic system around them. It's like telling a child to swim harder, while ignoring that the pool is leaking. Many Muslim sociologists echo Bauman's concerns. Scholars like Syed Farid Alatas call for a more ethical and community-centered sociology that remembers human dignity. Recep Şentürk speaks of open civilization, emphasizing interconnectedness over loneliness. Their work complements Bauman's by offering spiritual and moral dimensions to fix the instability he described. Bauman's legacy is powerful because he didn't just describe the world, he described our world, the one we are trying to survive in every day. And he reminded us that even in a liquid world, we can choose to hold on to meaning, compassion, and community. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more reminders that make complex ideas simple and meaningful, make sure to join my channel for more.